Hey, if you want to enable edge lighting on your Realme 11 5G, you can do this by using the external application named Movies Edge. So as default, this function is not available in this phone. So let me show you. When you navigate into the settings and type Edge, as you can see, there's nothing about this function. So what we have to do is to download this always on edge music lighting application on our phone and then open it. From here we've got edge lights, and as you can see right here we've got these notifications on the right side, on the left and the right side. You can also find some default themes, but each time you are swiping and you see this star, it means that it's actually only for the premium users. So you will actually try it for free, but you will have to watch a video ad. So that's also the corner out. And let's say that I want to get, for example, maybe this one. So now, as you can see, it's shown on the music overlay, always on display music, and also we can get the always on display notification. So you will have to accept this one and click on it. And here you can also enable it for this music overlay, always on display, and other options. And now if you want to customize it, you can click just right here. You can get them from the on the bottom, on the top. You can set the thickness. So for example, like this, the spread. So as you can see, that's how it looks. The length. Also the speed. You can slow it down or speed it up. Mass. And that's basically it. Then you can click save, and as you can see now it is on the screen. When you click right here, you can change it. So I mean, you can change the colors. For example, you can pick this one, and as you can see, the color is changing right now, and that's how it looks. That's actually quite simple. So now when you receive any notification and you've got this always on display, you would get this lightning edges on the screen. So that's quite useful, and that's basically it right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.